Hey everyone, what's up? In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use this ILI9225 display with an Arduino board, in my case an Leonardo. Let's get started. ILI9225 is a TFT LCD board which is made by ILI. Its input voltage is between 3.3 volt to 5 volt. Pixel resolution is 176 x 220 and the interfacing type is SPI. You might confuse this TFT board with its successor ILI9341, which is a 320 x 240 RGB TFT screen, which is much bigger than the display I have. ILI9341 also support Adafruit GFX library, but this one does not, unfortunately. But don't get me wrong, ILI9225 display is not completely trash. It's pretty usable and can be used in variety of projects. Just don't use it for gaming projects as its refresh rate is not very good and there's not a lot of information about the screen on the internet. If you want to make a RGB NES Game Boy or stuff like that, then definitely buy ILI9341 display as it supports Adafruit GFX library, which plays a huge part in making Game Boy projects and similar stuff. But this is another topic. In order to use ILI9225 display, you first need to install the library by Nakao. Link is in video description. After installing it, just open the sketch that I have provided. Why not use the test sketch which is in the example sketch? If you use the test sketch which is in the example sketches, your display might not even work. Plug the display in the analog I/O port like this. And that's the wiring part. It was pretty simple. Now just plug your Arduino board with your computer and upload the code which I have edited. Link is in video description. So what to try next? The Nakao library got the info on how you can create shapes.even bitmap, so do check them out. Leave a comment if you have a problem regarding this short tutorial. Like, share and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Peace out.